everybody, it's your girl Yachty Girl Flavor, and I'm coming back with a next recipe. Today I will be making some seafood baked potatoes. Here I have 4 potatoes. I tried to get the largest one that I had. The small one is for my son. I've already washed them. Make sure you wash them real well. So now I'm just gonna season them with some olive oil and salt and into the oven at 400 degrees for an hour. And this is the olive oil that I'm using. If you want to get some gloves on, that's your preference. Just rubbing them all over. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. Okay, and then I'm gonna make some holes with my fork here. The seafood that I will be using is shrimp and tilapia, and I'll show you how I will prepare that to put on top of my baked potatoes. Just as much whole as possible. And I'm gonna put some salt. Then I'm gonna rub on my salt. And then I'm gonna put these in the oven, and they're gonna be in there for an hour, and I'll come back. So here I have my shrimp and tilapia. I've already washed them and cleaned them with some vinegar. This is how I have cut my tilapia into, I guess you can call it cube. These are the shrimp that I'll be using. And then I have some smaller pieces. I'll show you guys what I do with those. But I'm about to start seasoning my seasoning. I'm going to add some salt, not a lot, because our baked potato is going to have cheese, and that brings salt. I'm just adding in my seasoning. As I said, I don't measure when I cook, but everything here is about a teaspoon. Lemon pepper. I don't know. There we go. Onion powder. I'm going to add some of this. There we go. Southwest. I'm not going to put a lot of this. And then some smoked paprika. And then we're going to combine this well. And we're doing this while our potato is in the oven. So now I'm just combining all of that. And I'm going to let it set aside and get my other toppings ready. This recipe calls for heavy cream. I don't have any heavy cream to make my cheese sauce, but I'm definitely going to use some store-bought Alfredo, which is an abomination, but I'll definitely make it my own. And this is what we have. The sun is shining through. Now I'm going to set that aside. Until we're ready for it. Here I am frying up some turkey bacon to use as topping and inside my baked potatoes. So I finished frying my bacon. I'm going to use this oil to cook my shrimp and my tilapia. These are some of the stuff I'm going to put into my sauce. I have some spinach that I chopped up. I chopped up some of my bacon. I saved some to put on the top. I have some green onions and some bell peppers, yellow, red, and orange. And I have some onion. So I'm going to let my oil heat back up. And then I'm going to start cooking my shrimp and tilapia. So here I'm cooking my tilapia and shrimp. I have kept the remaining pieces. I'm going to show you guys still what I'm going to do with this one. I have 25 minutes left on my potatoes, so they're almost finished. So I'm just going to flip some of these. If you guys see it's cooking, you can see some of the color that are already coming on the tilapia. My shrimp is cooking. So here's my shrimp. I went ahead and separate them. So this is my shrimp, nice and golden brown. And then this is my tilapia. I think I'm gonna let it sit in the oven for a few minutes to make sure they're done all the way. But it looks like it's finished to me. They're already starting to break apart. I have 16 minutes left on my potatoes. Look at these. They can be easy chicken nuggets, not chicken, fish nuggets. If you guys like fish and like tilapia, these are so yummy. So I'm about to start building my sauce. Good. So I'm still using the same pot. This is the pot I used to fry my bacon, the pot that I just used to cook my shrimp and tilapia, and I'm going to use it to make my sauce. So this has so much flavor. I'm adding some minced garlic. And I'm gonna add this now. Last but not least, so this is the base for my sauce. As I said, I am using a store-bought sauce because I don't have any heavy cream to make my own, but it's definitely gonna be my own because I am gonna put my twist on it. We're just gonna let this cook. They're gonna cook real fast because they're cut really thin. So it doesn't matter if it's mashed out because it just doesn't matter. I'm adding this because I want the sauce to have that same seafood fish flavor in it, because this is seafood baked potatoes. So our sauce needs to have all of that yumminess in it. So I went ahead and pour my sauce into my bowl that I add my remaining season. Then I'm about to add my rest of my onions. So I'm about to add my onions, the peppers, bacon, spinach, and green onion. I might need to switch to a bigger pot. So this is what we have so far. This smells so good. You can definitely have this by itself if you're on a diet or something and you don't want no carbs. You can definitely have this. It's so yummy. What we have. I'm gonna pour in my sauce. Let me mix that around. I'm gonna turn down my heat. So here, guys, I have moved the pot off the direct heat so it doesn't start to burn or stick to the bottom of the pot. And I'm just here doing my own thing. But I am trying to get the rest of the sauce out the pan and into the pot. And then I'm here mixing it and stirring it around so I can combine all that seasoning and veggies together. I place it back on the heat, and I'm just here doing my own thing, guys, and just moving around trying to get dinner ready. I'm started wiping up and cleaning up the stove. I moved the light, I move everything. I'm just here just minding my own business and doing my own thing. I literally forgot that I was in the middle of a video, okay? So I'm here just cleaning up, wiping off the stove, getting everything where it needs to be. I'm definitely somebody that clean as I go, okay? So I'm just here in the cleaning mood. Forgot that sis was videoing and recording, okay? So I'm just moving around, cleaning up my stove, wiping stuff off. Let me know if anybody clean as they go, because that's definitely what I do. I like to finish cook and still have a clean kitchen. I don't want to finish cook and then the place is a whole mess. No, I want to finish, cook, and sit and eat, and my kitchen is still clean and ready to go. And at this point, I'm still not have noticed that I am recording. I'm wiping up the oil that spilled on the floor. I am just doing it all right here, okay? I am here cleaning and wiping up, and I think I didn't remember because I had on my headphone listening to something else on YouTube, okay? But I'm about to jump back in and realizing that my recording was going all this time. But definitely stick true and watch to the end, guys. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna add some cheese to it. I am using this Fiesta blend. So this is my sauce, guys. It's full of so much flavor and definitely my own. And we have 2 minutes on our potatoes, so perfect timing. So I'm gonna put my shrimp. You can have this over some delicious steak or chicken or over some rice. Listen, you can put this on top of anything. But today it's going to be over some baked potatoes. So here we are, guys. I just put some of the tilapia nuggets on top of it for a picture for my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at yachtyGirl_flavor. I'm gonna check my potatoes and I'll show you guys how we're gonna plate this all up. Stay tuned. So these are my potatoes. The fork is going through, so they are cooked. This is hot, okay? So be careful, or you can use a towel that you have in your kitchen. And I'm just transferring it to this Pyrex dish that I have here. Here we go. So I'm going to add some cheese before I put my topping. You can either butter the rest of this sauce and use the remaining with something else if you have some left over. Now I'm just topping it with some bacon. I'm adding some green onions on top. So this is our finished product, guys. This is my seafood baked potato. This is so yummy and delicious. So this is our finished product, guys. This is so yummy. So we're gonna go in. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Seafood baked potato. So yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely see you on the next recipe with flavor. Yummy. Next time, guys.